Stare out the window to the sky.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Karbi ejang vlogs. So guys, today I'm going to react Meghaleya Karbi music video. So today I brought for you a reaction video. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to do subscribe and like, share, comments. And also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss any new update. So lastly, don't know your opinion banke nili la Meghaleya Karbi atuma music video bang se reaction pipon po mane alang le tum Meghaleya Karbi tum sitame non bang ke ai kede holang chanang le tum theklong ne music video lang neo o latum ki shoot la pen song yata arjume o lunjir sitame la se pinya reaction video bang Meghaleya Karbi reaction na video sinang le tum panang tiklang po la se dono tum nang le tum stame alang le tum channel sa kenang sorlo nang le tum support ke kenang sorlo la se Meghaleya Karbi music video tum pana channel tum pan sitame nang le tum bang subscribe pidunon la pen video ta share pidunon nang le jar pijer po tum pan la pen nili channel sitame nili video sitame nang le tum jar pijer po tum pan ke share back non nang le tum support ke kenang sorlo la Karbi hijan mate la pujip che support seroi nan an so se yalla aprang dulu je apan itu tum Karbi tum san so se aprang dulu je nang tum support ke viewers tum pen sitam support ke kinang solo la sinang tum channel tum sa kimilan po ta subscribe no share pino Korpi Mirmily video reaction people Meghaleya Karbi video la se audio langsna amisen yo Meghaleya Karbi tum stand ready new music video ni Oh, so nice actors, the way they move. Korpi now, wow, scenery is so nice. Actually, it's the tea garden. Chicken stone and all this. Meghaleya Karbi tum sitame mesan lo video bang video. Trust my channel na yo. Mane laso di bang ke mukewang asengka, mane mukewang ji next year. Bang ke warha Korpi pensi, nang run ya nang hoy po ansi ni nang pan ni run mi nang chipon po tutang na dia. Understand bang kom was tame Karbi was tame little bit different. Some words bang different tame arju thak ya sab amju kelang story and sab lesson buji du nang po la see you guys your opinion reaction video mate video bang opinion ke short la see opinion video bang la plan chot la see next video long le puto chitam tuna. So guys, thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share my video to your friend and also their channel Meghaleya Karbi channel which is called Ningkang Some Entertainment channel. Please do visit and do subscribe and like share to their video. So guys, thanks for watching my video.